So this is actually what we came for today. We got a Caprice LS.
Came a long way, a strong way. I've been grinding all day. Keep it on me, on me, on me, on me. It's lit.
Back in the yard again. It's your boy Catloco. You see it's a little warmer today. It's like 44 degrees. I did wear boots today. But you know why we're here. We got a 5.3. Look like 862 heads. There's another one out front. The next row over with the 862. That's 862 heads. 5.3. Another 862. Drawback cable. They cut the harness. Probably get the injectors. Still easy pull. Ooh, what's this? Yellow. A62. See how this kicker system at. They done gutted this whole thing out. All black and yellow. You can tell this thing is nice. That was a Trailblazer. They took that. I said SS. Got 3500. That's not what we want, but got another 3500 or 2500. It's another 5.0. Got you a Tahoe. A62 heads. They cut the throttle cable or the TV cable. But anyway, let me cut you back on. I see something good. So this is actually what we came for today. We got a Caprice LS. I think this is 91. Oh shit. I did not know it was here. I saw the straps, so I'm guessing it has holes in it. I don't see any holes. Shit. One single hole. God damn. So that really sucks. This is what I came for, is actually in the trunk. They took the sending unit in the pump. But if you look in there, you see how that thing has like a pan, it's baffled. That's what we're looking for. Man, I thought it was gone. But I mean, it's shit. Might as well have been gone. Because I guarantee if that hole was in there, this would have been gone. No, this is the 93 Caprice. That sucks. So like the other Junkyard, they had like 20 holes inside this thing. You only get this one right here. It's pretty deep. I don't even know if I want to even risk trying to patch that one hole. Anyway, let's go check out the other one. 91 Caprice Classic Bubble Chevy. I think the tank's gone too. It's pretty nice. Got that old car smell. Parking brake. Has a little hood release. Yeah, window switches. Everything basically in there except for the pillars. Okay, no tank in there. Put my bag down. The tank is here, but does it have a hole? That's the question. I want to say it's gone, or it has a hole. And this is why people take the cushions out. Alright, give me a sec. And as you can see, they got the wheel on top of the tank, which sucks, but there is a hole right there. So getting the straps would be pretty easy. It's the tank that's the problem. This year already puts one hole, but it's still a hole. Yeah, one more thing, man. If you do take these seats out, go ahead and put it back for the next person. They may need this. Alright, guys, this is your boy Catloco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.